Okay, so today we're going to do a flashlight bypass valve test on this Fram Ultra synthetic oil filter, number XG8A. And this filter is 11 years old. It's rated for 15,000 miles. And they don't make them like this filter anymore. The new Ultras are different than this one. Like I said, it's 11 years old. And the reason it's different is the bottom here, where the bypass valve goes, it's all metal. Whereas this one this is like some kind of material. I don't know what it is, but it's not metal. It's like plastic, or I'm not sure what it is, but it's different anyways. And I'm gonna put this like this. I'm gonna put a flashlight down here. I'm gonna see if there's any light coming through there. That would mean unfiltered oil could go through there. And most of the time, these kind of bypass valves fail. So let's see if this one passes. So I'm going to get the light. Okay. Flashlight. I got the bypass valves in there. Oh yeah, I don't see no light at all. Look at that. Right there. Nothing. That seals right up. See that? Look. See it right there. Right there's the bypass valve. Nothing. There's no light coming through that at all. Nope. That makes a perfect seal. I wonder why they stopped making those. Well, let me get the light. Okay. Yeah, they should have kept making these kind, because this makes a perfect seal here, so no unfiltered oil will go through here. That's the way they used to make them 11 years ago, but they don't make them like this anymore. Now they're just all metal, just like this side and this side. You know, that's usually the way it is, like this. And you can feel this is loose. This is nice and tight in there, nice and snug. Okay, so this old Fram XG8A passed the test. And if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and take care.